score of the Lions game?
The Lions are tied with the Buccaneers 10-10 at halftime.
These guys suck! Wait, why are you crossing the road up there? Really? Like, that's not safe. Were you like running away from that traffic stop up there? Like, who knows what's going on? Zombie banana creeping and like creeping. That was an exit dive up there. Don't turn on red. Red light run. Red light run. Red light run. No turn on red. Red light run, red light run, red light run.
So, of all the people that were up there, Nikki Haley is the one that I would be like, God, this sucks, but not as bad as it could have been. Yeah, it's right, yeah. Like, if any Republican gets elected,
mess all left.
Get fucked in the mouth, right? But Nikki Haley, people have died because they've done silly things, believing that God was going to save them. And which is really inviting a sign.
I don't think that guy stopped ahead of me.
Jesus said. Verse 24 through 27 represent Isaiah's kind of apocalypse. We have chapters 28 through 35, which we come back to some woes, but they're peeps. Oh, yeah. So, how many times have you been struck by lightning? 66 times.
Red light run, red light run. He ran the red light because of Prius.
Pressure, but like I could always make my teammates laugh. But that was
red light run, red light run, red light run.
You're right. Some of them are just like, yeah, we just don't do that. Yeah, we just don't take money from the federal government. I bet they do when there's a fucking hurricane or an earthquake.
Nice cut off.
Because they all do.
I'll do all three. Say hello to your most delicious year.
You suck. Both of you suck. Actually, no, just one of you suck. One of you were going straight.
But I come from Brooklyn where like it's so diverse. There's so many different things going on. In Wisconsin, just
what the fuck are you doing in there?
Fun.
What the hell?
People go duck hunting, and it was definitely.
You're just blocking their way. Back up.
Exotic because I'm Italian, and
you're an idiot.
Outgoing.
You can't figure out normal thinking.
Every 25-year-old in Brooklyn would just be dressed up like they're going to the Grand.
Exit dive.
And girls were like, "This is a great date spot." So it has like the lead.
Well, you drive like ass, Nissan driver. Nice cut off. Exit dive in front of a truck. Range's version ahead of me.
Those people gods, and why are you getting upset with me for saying I'm the Son of God? If they understood Jesus to be saying I'm the God of Israel, his response would be a complete.
Yeah, why are you just sitting there, dude? There's no one there.
Not be addressing their claim.
there's something over here that I should point out, but I don't know what it is. I don't know. No, stop.
Everybody seemed to be hurt.
Why you stopped way up there?
Led by this
Weird.
quarterback.
No, straight from right, left turn lane up there. You can go! You can go! The fuck are you doing? You can go now! Yeah, finally you figured it out, Toyo turd. You can go now. I don't know why you were sitting, and now you're going to be in the way of this guy because you waited so long. Yeah, what's up with today? Not people not knowing how traffic circles work. Red light, run! Red light, run! Red light, run! A red light, run in a dead-end town! Eastern boys in a red light, run! Oh shit, it's right turn, must turn right. I'm screwed up with my singing. Alright, thank you very much for being so nice behind me.
You done messed up, AA
And you made the same mistake that I was about to make. Oh well, everyone sucks today. At least I have a pretty good excuse. I don't live around here. I don't know what your problem is. I'm assuming you're one of the local people that live here. And where'd that bicycle guy come from? That's a weird one. But, you know, stop. No stop again, because no one cares in Poughkeepsie, it seems like. Oh, well, everyone sucks.
He couldn't say no. Right. Because he knew the gotcha.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run.
It's probably kind of hard to keep track of at times. I think your first if is
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run.
Like exploitative economy of white Western women
Nice
from
cut off.
the United States and Canada and Europe.
Purer than pure, and more French revolutionary than revolutionaries, and more
Really?
communists than communists, and more Christian
Really?
than Christians, and it becomes a bit of get the election of Ronald Reagan, and that's when the religious right in the United States
starts to be weaponized politically, right? So I always listen to what people say they're going to do.
Should they have the power
7
to do
a.m.
it?
Yeah, it's
So
2 o'clock.
it's
They'll
not
turn on
enough
red.
to just encouraging, hopeful, and sustaining force. But that would be the
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run.